Welcome to this video on how to use the prompting playground in Opik for your prompt engineering tasks. When you freshly load the page, this is what you will see: a prompt input window and then the output window from the model. You have the ability to run multiple prompts in parallel for A/B testing purposes. So you can have two variations of your prompt for initial testing and see the outputs side by side. For now, let's stick with one prompt. If you're just starting out with creating system prompts or some type of LLM queries that you want to build your workflow around, you should switch from the system to the user prompt and just type in your question. After a short moment, the answer should appear in the output box. We can hit the delete prompt button to right now. For a more complex example, we can load a prompt that we have already version controlled in our prompt library. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, it always loads the last committed prompt. And since we use prompts in experiments together with datasets, we can also load a test dataset we have in here to start an experiment right from our prompting playground. Let's make sure that we have some sensible model parameters set here. Let's go to a little bit of creativity. Let's go to a couple more output tokens, and let's consider more options. And of course, we have to add a user message. And how this works is that we use the mustache or handlebar notation. Question. Spelled correctly. Great. Let's run this. And after a few short moments, it should give us a little banner to tell us that our experiment has been created. And here we go. This page. And here are the outputs that have been generated from our little Q&A dataset. Another feature worth mentioning is that if you make any changes whatsoever to this system prompt here, you will get this red little bubble on the save button. You can click it and then add a commit message and some metadata if you want. And then you can just commit it as a new version to the prompt library, and it will show up here in your commit history. Thank you for watching.